Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can upload a PDF in your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. So right now, here in the center, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it, and then click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be right here in your dashboard. So once you're in your dashboard, just go here to the left, and then you're going to find all of these sections. Here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So once you're here in this tab, just wait for it to finish loading. And once you're here, as you can see guys, this is basically the editor for your Wix site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize or design your site. So right now, in order to update or upload a PDF into your site, it's pretty easy. Just click on the plus icon right here. And then once you do that, right here, you're going to find all of these elements that you can add. Go ahead and search for button. Once you click on button, here you're going to find themed button, text and icon button, image button, and here you're going to find document button. Click on documents button, and then here you're going to find the option to add a PDF. Go ahead and select the PDF button or any button that you want. And then once you're here, you can upload any media. Just click on upload media and then click on upload from computer. And you can choose your PDF from your computer, or you can drag it directly right here and drop it. And once you do that, click on add to page, then your PDF will be added. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.